Many users find that TurboTax's so-called free filing option isn't truly free for most taxpayers. TurboTax offers free state filing, but only for very simple returns with basic forms like W-2s. It no longer participates in the IRS free file program that allows low-income users to file for free regardless of complexity. If your return includes forms like a 1099 NEC for gig work, you'll have to upgrade, which can quickly cost over $100 for both federal and state. While TurboTax provides convenient upload options for forms from employers and banks, this feature often feels unnecessary since many entries can be typed in manually with minimal effort. The software looks clean and user-friendly, but tends to overcomplicate simple steps, such as entering a W-2. A recent update makes taking the standard deduction easier with one click, though the removal of the preview option for 1,040 forms is a downside. Its mobile app works smoothly with the desktop version, offering a well-integrated experience. Overall, TurboTax is sleek and convenient, but overpriced and unnecessarily complex for most users unless you qualify for the free version.